This is Julie Knutson, event coordinator for OHVA, and welcome to We Are OHVA Champions Who Rock Eventbrite. This session, I am going to be talking about what to do if you're checking students in at a face-to-face event and a student has no ticket. What do you do when they say, we didn't sign up? You say, no problem at all. Because right there at the event, there's different ways that they can actually purchase their ticket right there at the event. The first way is on their cell phone. The learning coach can click on the OHVA app. Now, if they don't have the OHVA app in our SharePoint family engagement documents, hosts can always make sure to take along the QR code for the OHVA app, and they can click that QR code and download the app if they don't already have it right there. And then once they have that app, they're going to click on events. That will take them to our event calendar. They can click on the calendar event that they're attending at that moment. So they're going to find the event and click on it, and it will have the pop-up window, and at the bottom of that pop-up window, they can register. And right there on their phone, they can fill out the form, secure the ticket, and the ticket can be scanned right away. Another way is if a student comes up and they don't have a ticket and they don't have the app or a cell phone to download the app, you can send them to the staff member who has a computer or their laptop with them. Or if you have your laptop, you can do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is from the home page, and I always go up on the Eventbrite and click home. If it automatically logs me in, I click the home page and I log in, and once I'm logged in, my name, email address is in the upper right hand corner. Now, if you are support staff at, let's say, an all school face-to-face event, you're going to log in with that jknudson@ohva.org. That's jknudson@ohva.org. That's what support staff uses. So you can just log into that jknudson@ohva.org. The password is all capital OHVA, the @ and then lowercase events. OHVA, all in capitals, at lowercase events. And once you're logged in to the Eventbrite and you see your name in that upper right hand corner, there's a little tick arrow right next to your email or your name, and you're going to click on that. And one of the options at that point is Manage Events. Manage Events. You want to click on Manage Events. And when you do that, you are going to have all the events for OHVA, and you're going to scroll down and find the event that you are attending. So find that event and click on it. And when you click on it, it takes you to that event dashboard. Now, this is the tricky part. Sometimes this is a little difficult, but on the left-hand side now, you need to scroll down, and sometimes all you can see, even when you scroll down, is order options and marketing. If you put your cursor on marketing and then hit the down arrow, you'll get the rest of it. Sometimes it's a little hard to get under the marketing, but we got to scroll down all the way on that side. And if your dashboard is highlighted, you can click the down arrow until you get to Manage Attendees. You want to get to Manage Attendees. It's under Marketing. So you can just click down. And when you get to Manage Attendees, you're going to go to Add Attendees. So you have had a student who showed up. They didn't secure a ticket. They didn't sign up or pre-register. You're going to do that with them right now. And when you click that Add Attendees, the first thing you have to do is identify the order type. So in that order type, you're going to click that down arrow and you're going to select no payment necessary. No payment necessary. When you click on that no payment necessary, then you're going to scroll down the list until you find the location that you're at that you need to register the student for, because they didn't pre-register, and you're going to put a 1 under quantity. Now remember, even if a learning coach has 5 kids, they're going to have to do this for every single kid. And that's why it's really nice if they can get it on their phone, because every student counted means that every student signs up and secures a ticket. And as our school year goes on, hopefully this won't be an issue. They'll get their tickets and come with them so that they can be scanned. But once you put that 1 in, you're going to again have to scroll down on the right side, scroll all the way down and click continue. When you click continue, that brings up the registration information. And this is where you can let the learning coach type in all the information to secure a ticket for that event and to register them. Once they've filled out all the form properly, that register button at the very bottom will be highlighted. If it's not highlighted, there's something they did not fill in. But once they've got it all filled in, they click register, and at that time, a ticket will come up, and that can be checked in. Mark the ticket as attended and check them in. This is all to keep our heads above the clouds so that every student gets counted as a virtual school going digital. Imagine that. If you have any questions about anything related to events, Eventbrite, hosting an event, anything, please contact me. I'm Jay Knutson at K12.com, and I have open office hours on Friday at 8 a.m. All of this information is in our family engagement staff updates, and there is a link there to my open office hours as well as my email. I look forward to hearing and helping and answering any questions, because we know that our face-to-face events are extremely important for our students, and for retention of our students. So anything I can do to help. Remember, here at OHVA, every student gets counted at a face-to-face event. That's why a parent has to record or has to fill out that form for each student. Every student counted, because every student counts. Thank you so much.